Now it is time to highlight some of the areas on each piece. I am using an oil-based paint marker, and I am showing two of my favorite brands right now. I will have links to these markers in the description box below. I do recommend using the larger marker because it is easier to use on these detail lines. The smaller marker was harder to control, and I tended to slip and make a mess. I am following the raised lines on the bowl. I am not being too picky or specific. I am just trying to highlight areas to make them more visible. On the ring holder, I am also following the raised lines to accent the detail of the piece. It is okay to make a mistake right now. Just have some Q-tips handy and a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to clean up as soon as it happens. As I turn the piece around, I am being careful not to smear the ink. Once the ink dries, it is permanent ink. I find that it dries within 15 to 30 minutes, but I do let this sit 24 hours just to be sure they are dried thoroughly. I love the gold accent on these pieces. It really makes these pieces more unique and brings a bright beauty to them. Thank you for creating this project with me. Please let me know what you think in the comment box below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!